Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I'll go ahead and let you know today's video is going to heavily focus more on customer service jobs or jobs that need to be on the phone. Yesterday, I did a non-phones video. So today we have things like student record support, where you will have to communicate back and forth with students. We have Ross stores like Ross Dress for Less clothing stores hiring customer support. We do have, first up though, a non-phone customer support job, so hopefully we have a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links to any of the pages that I share if you want to read reviews on the company, get those applications in, are always in the YouTube description box below this video, along with any timestamps. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. Now, I do want to quickly note that I don't work for any of these companies. The point of this channel is just searching all the job boards, trying to dig through everything that's out there, the thousands of postings, the scams, and all that, and bring you the best jobs that are hiring on a daily basis. So I don't control how long these are posted, how many applications they accept before they start calling people in for interviews and take the job posting down. Just wanted to throw that out there, but without wasting any more time, first up, we have two different positions from the company NoGigiddy. Now, if you think gig type jobs, a lot of people call like Door Dashers and things like that, Uber Eats, like gig work. So NoGigiddy works for gig workers. Now, please note they have two salaries posted on the Glassdoor, but they have absolutely no reviews posted on Glassdoor. So I have no information about this company. Please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. I did want to share though, because they have two different positions. One is going to be select states only. The other one is for the entire United States. So first up, we have a chat support agent. So that's non-phone, like app and website chat support. They are paying $15 to $18 an hour. This is going to be a part-time position for Texas, California, New York, Florida, and Illinois, it looks like. But they have a platform for gig workers, and what you'll be doing is responding promptly to those gig workers' questions, providing accurate and helpful information through that chat or website platform. You're going to address and resolve gig workers' concerns, issues, and complaint using empathy, making sure that you stay up to date with all the features and functionalities of the NoGigiddy platform, and help partner with staffing apps, just assisting with any technical issues that come up. So they're just looking for somebody who has great customer service skills. You have experience in customer support in the past. You have multitasking skills and problem-solving skills, and you have computer skills. You can navigate around different software applications. Now, NoGigiddy is also hiring a remote administrative support specialist, and this just says remote. It looks like for the United States. This one doesn't look like it has any state restrictions. So for this one, you are going to be doing all the administrative tasks, like communicating with those gig workers, informing them of shifts that are available that they can pick up, and opportunities for them in real time. So you're just helping them find work. You're addressing any of their questions through different channels like email, chat, and phone. You're coordinating their shifts and making scheduling and adjustment shifts, making sure that there is gig worker coverage available. Just providing that administrative support by preparing reports, managing documentation, or any of the data entry tasks for the gig workers. So they are looking for somebody who has past administrative experience. You've got to have great computer skills with this one, be organized and be able to multitask, and of course be detail oriented. Now, sadly, for this administrative position, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Moving on along though, a company that does have a lot of reviews is Ross Stores, or Ross Dress for Less. They do have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service representative. And please note, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom past the requirements, it says this position may be performed remotely anywhere in the United States. So they do not have any state restrictions. Now, pay for this one is going to be dependent on things like experience, skills, qualifications, education, location, but starts out anywhere from $17.07 an hour and goes up to $27.38 an hour. But they are basically looking for somebody to answer those phones, emails, letters, faxes, all kinds of correspondence that they get, just responding to those customer inquiries and questions, being responsible for answering anything regarding store operations, financial issues, or merchandise and merchandising refund. So you're just going to utilize your phone skills, delivering this great customer service, and you're going to record all of your customer call interactions, information about them into the call database, into the computer system. So this is just basic customer service. They are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma and 2 years of customer service experience, great communication skills, and somebody who can work a computer system, specifically like Microsoft Office, like Word, Excel, Access, Outlook, all of those Office computer systems. Now, it does say they desire somebody who has a second language. So if you're bilingual, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. Next up, we have the University of Arizona hiring. They have 3,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote student records coordinator. Now, please note, just because this is the University of Arizona, they do not state that they have state restrictions in their job posting. It doesn't say that they only hire in Arizona. So please know, I don't work for any of these companies. I only have the information they have. But they are looking for somebody to basically help coordinate and aid the process of maintenance of student records. So you'll evaluate the degree of progress for the student prior to and at the time of completion of all of their academic and administrative catalog requirements for the degree they're enrolled in. You're going to provide customer service to a high volume of both internal and external customers through like phone calls, chats, emails, things like that, evaluating and processing forms related to student records and making sure that you're upholding all the policies and procedures, verifying and updating student information, managing the grade posting in their online records, responding to enrollment or degree verification inquiries, responding to documents that are requested by government or lenders, like maybe federal student loan lenders are requesting documents to verify that the student is enrolled or what program they're enrolled in. You're going to deal with all of the administrative documentation. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and 5 years experience of education or work experience. While they prefer a bachelor degree, it's not required. As long as you have great critical thinking skills, you can use those Microsoft Office systems. You've got to have excellent typing skills, be a multitasker, and they're kind of looking for somebody who has a knowledge of FERPA or FERPA guidelines. Pay for this one is, again, dependent on things like location and experience. Goes anywhere from $18.15 an hour up to $22.69 an hour. Next up, we have the company Conduent hiring. Conduent always hires for a wide range of work from home remote positions. I share this company quite a bit on this channel. They often have like data entry and non-phone positions as well. The one I'm sharing today is a phone position, but if you're interested, just bookmark their website and maybe check them every week or two to see what kind of new positions they have out there. And they do have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. And today they are looking for a call center associate for their Medicaid department. Now, this is specifically going to be working for the Virginia Medicaid. However, it says this job is listed in 2 locations. If you look at it as remote for the United States, they are hiring throughout the United States. They are giving you complete training, and they're looking for somebody to work 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. No weekends are needed, so make sure if you're outside of that time zone, you convert your hours to see if that works for you. They're looking for somebody to start relatively quickly because their training class starts towards the end of the month, which is only about 2 weeks away. Pay is $16.50 an hour if you only speak English, or if you are bilingual, they pay $17.50 an hour, so you get an extra $1 an hour for being bilingual. But this is going to be a call center position. You are using a computerized system to respond to Virginia Medicaid patients or doctors who have seen patients who have Virginia Medicaid as their insurance. They'll be calling in asking questions about billing, benefits, what's covered, what's not under their plan. And so you are using standard scripts and procedures to answer their questions. You're going to gather the information from them, assess what their needs are, research and resolve any inquiries that they have about their, again, insurance benefits, what's covered, or why a bill was not processed and paid correctly, or whatever their question may be. Maybe the provider is calling in wanting to know why they can't bill these patients of their provider enrollment status. Maybe they've submitted their paperwork and documentation and they're just waiting for it to be processed. You're going to be basically handling all kinds of different questions for basically Virginia Medicaid. So this includes verifying documents, imaging, things like that. They only require you to be 18 years or older and have a high school diploma, be eligible to work into the United States. You do have to have your own internet connection. It does look like they're going to provide the computer for you, but you do have to pass a criminal background check and drug screening. Last but not least, we have the company Aircall hiring. Now, Aircall has 288 reviews on Glassdoor, an employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a billing support specialist, again, full-time remote for the United States, but this is billing support. It's again going to be another phone job. You're assisting those customers solving their billing and payment inquiries. You're going to be looking at receipts, credit notes, processing payments, just providing support to their customers with invoicing, subscriptions, payment management, payment arrangements, maintaining accurate account balances, just partnering with the accounts receivable and collections teams, making sure that payments have been received, are posted into the system to the customer's correct account. So you're just developing and maintaining knowledge of all of the payment and invoicing processes so that you can help support the customers. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in customer support, preferably in a software as a service or business to business skill industry there. They're looking for somebody who has great communication skills. Again, this one is a plus if you are bilingual and can speak Spanish. You've got to be familiar with ticketing tools, somebody who is great at technical knowledge and can be empathetic to the customer. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I know a lot of people are looking for non-phone part-time, and I've even seen some people looking for like evening, overnight, like off-shift hours. I am keeping a list and I am searching for those. I just haven't come across a lot. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared in today's video, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.